Most of us waste thousands before we realize what money actually means. In my 20s, I thought I had time. But money doesn't wait. It compounds, disappears, and teaches you lessons the hard way. If I could go back, I'd follow these 5 simple money habits. They would have changed everything. Habit number 1. Track every expense. Not just the big ones. The tiny coffee, the late-night food orders, the subscriptions you forgot about. Write it all down or use an app. Why? Because awareness is the first step to control. You can't fix what you don't see. Habit number 2. Understand wants versus needs. You don't have to live like a monk, but learn to pause. That new phone upgrade? A want. Groceries, rent, electricity? That's a need. Every time you spend, ask yourself, do I really need this or do I just want it right now? Habit number 3. Start investing early. You don't need thousands, just consistency. Even $20 a month, if invested wisely, adds up over the years. Time is your greatest asset, not money. The earlier you start, the less effort you need later. Habit number 4. Automate your savings. Don't rely on discipline. Build systems instead. Set your account to move money into savings or investments the day you get paid. If you never see it, you'll never miss it. And your future self will quietly thank you. Habit number 5. Delay gratification. Not everything needs to be bought now. Wait 48 hours before any non-essential purchase. Often the urge passes, and your money stays. Wealth builds not by spending more, but by waiting more. It took me years to learn these habits, and longer to apply them. But you don't need to wait. Start small, stay consistent, and give it time. Which one of these habits hit you hardest? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. You're not behind, you're just getting started.